Good morning, international students. As you start your day, take a moment to listen to these positive affirmations. They are here to remind you of your strength, resilience, and the incredible journey you're on. Embrace this new day with confidence and a smile, because you have the power to make the most of your experiences and create a better, brighter future. Let's begin your day with positivity and self-belief. I am capable of handling any challenges that come my way. I am capable of handling any challenges that come my way. I embrace new experiences and cultures with an open heart and an open mind. I embrace new experiences and cultures with an open heart and an open mind. I am here to learn, grow, and make the most of this opportunity. I am here to learn, grow, and make the most of this opportunity. I am confident in my abilities to succeed academically. I am confident in my abilities to succeed academically. I am confident in my abilities to succeed academically. I am grateful for the friends I made and the experiences I've had. I am grateful for the friends I made and the experiences I've had. I am resilient and can overcome any obstacles. I am resilient and can overcome any obstacles. I believe in myself, and I am worthy of success. I believe in myself, and I am worthy of success. I radiate positivity and attract positive experiences. I radiate positivity and attract positive experiences. I am in control of my own happiness and well-being. I am in control of my own happiness and well-being. am on a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. I am on a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Thank you. May you have a happy day today. And I'm